Hopefully you'll have a stress-free holiday, but just in case, here are a few tips to make sure that you don't have any nasty surprises at the end of your break within the European Union. If you plan to use your mobile phone while you're away, then make sure it is set up to work abroad before you leave. EU law limits the cost of calls and texts, but keep your eye out for text messages when you arrive. Your network must let you know how much it costs to use your phone in your chosen country. It is free to receive text messages, but you will probably pay extra to make and receive calls and to send text messages. The cost of downloading data, such as emails or websites, can be very, very high, and you have a right to set a cap on how much you're willing to spend on data charges abroad so that you don't return to a huge bill. Talk to your network before you leave. Be sure to apply for and bring your European health insurance card with you. This means if you should fall ill or have an accident, you have the right to be treated like a local. However, it doesn't mean your treatment will always be free of charge. It's a good idea to take out travel insurance which will cover medical bills. If something does happen, you can either use the emergency number for the country you're visiting, or you can use 112, the number for emergency services, which works in all EU countries. If you hire a car while you're away, make sure that you are charged the amount that you agreed beforehand. Within the EU, car hire providers must make clear what the total cost will be beforehand, and you have the right to pay only this amount. Look out for extra charges that could be levied. For example, check whether you need to return the car with a full tank of petrol. Do not sign any agreements when you're abroad for timeshares. Reputable companies will give you time to consider your choice when committing to such a big purchase. The EU now has strict laws on these types of investments. Even if you do sign up to a timeshare and change your mind afterwards, you have a rock-solid right to a 14-day cooling-off period. I hope you have a great holiday. Most are trouble-free, but if you have questions about your EU rights before or after your travel, do get in touch.